Looking for expert toilet repair in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how inconvenient plumbing problems can be. Whether it's a clogged toilet, leaking tank, or broken flush valve, we're here to provide quick and reliable repairs. Our toilet repair services are designed to tackle common issues fast, ensuring your toilet is functioning like new. In Strathcona County, we know how vital it is to have plumbing that works when you need it most. So we offer tailored solutions for local homeowners. Why choose Kingstree Plumbing? We offer transparent pricing, reliable service, and guaranteed results so you can trust we'll get the job done right. Call or click, book online to schedule your toilet repair in Strathcona County with the experts at Kingstree Plumbing today.